Has Bitcoin already started to rebound? Today, I will give you the insight from the chart. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friends. So basically, Bitcoin has dropped from the peak to right now. It's pretty low. They have hit the lowest, which is around 70, and then they bounce up right now. So do we have opportunity right now? Today, I will give you the insights from the chart to see has it already finished the drop, or do they still have opportunity to go down lower? So this is only for education purpose. We don't recommend you any trade. The first thing we look at is this free line. This blue line is regular time trend line. This purple line is long-term trend line. And this red line is very critical for today. This is the fast trend line to tell you in faster, this is going downward or going upward. So you can see this free line direction, they are still going downward. So something you need to be a bit cautious. But we do have some good news. Good news number one, we actually go above this red line, although the red line is still going downward. So it means this is the step one of the rebounds. Step one, I didn't say it start to rebound now. I say step one. Step two of the rebounds basically is we have the purple candle appear already here. So yet the purple candle already disappeared, but our condition they start to rebound is they have to go above the last purple candle. They have to close above the last purple candle. We're not yet there. Okay, this is one of the trading strategy. Another thing, but it's good enough because this is oversold signal. So already disappeared. We just need it to get a bit stronger to go above this candle. So this candle is 73,237.19. They have to go above this with this purple candle, right? So this is OBOS strategy. You can see here. The yellow here is oversold, overbought. So basically here they have a strong sell signal to tell you, hey, this is another sell signal. Of course, when we are in the higher location, we have other signal to tell you in weekly chart and daily charts to tell you to run. And I want to say right now, I don't want to focus before the peak, blah, blah, blah. I know many people still have the stock or they get trapped, and some of them they bought around 100K, but this is still not a big problem because before I told you, institution they did come in around this level, which is around 85, this level. They have some institution come in. They go up again, but this institution did not get um enough stock, enough coins that can to be the good support. Okay, and they drop again. They drop below the support basically, and it create another opportunity for institution to come in here. Okay, so this bunch of green candle is very critical because they tell us where institution come in. And then before I told you, if institution come in here, no matter in any stock or no matter in um any coins, basically this mean later on the price will go above this price. Okay, but only with this indicator, you don't know when it start. So we need to have the blue in this blue line and also YM chippers to tell you, hey, this is the start of the bull market. Okay, so another thing I want you to check is the weekly chart. We also have institution come here, institution come here. This indicator to tell you, hey, this is relative low. Okay, but with the weekly chart, you can see this length, this one compared to this one, it seems like this one is not complete. Although we have the purple candle, although we have institution come in, but in weekly chart, we haven't shown a signal that it has stopped the drop. Although we have a long wick, yes. But this is what today is on Monday. So it's not yet confirmed anything happening right now, right? So, and you can see institution come like they go. Basically, you can see they drop around this level. They continue to drop around this level, which is around 111,000. Basically, they're reducing significantly here. And you can see the big volume trade also reducing divergence here. So basically they are tending to sell than buy. And we have a down signal here to tell you this is the start of the bear market. The blue line also tell you this is the start of the bear market. Okay, so anyway, right now, what is the strategy if you still have Bitcoin? The first thing is, it's not a good time to sell right now. And it's not yet to start the rebounds. As I say, either they go above the purple or this red line change the direction, or if we use another strategy is YM chip entry, you can actually catch a very good entry point for Bitcoin. The first strategy is use the first green candle. So you see this, they actually have two patch of green candle. This and the middle is basically is blue. Blue is nothing. Okay. So we look at the green candle only. The first green candle is here. The first green candle is a very safe point to buy. Once the stock go above this candle, basically it means it's confirmed it will go up. Okay, it's finished the for the institution to absorb the chips. But right now, this price is quite far away, which is this price is around the highest price is $89,242. So it's quite far away from right now. Now it's 70,000 something. So we can use another strategy, which is using the highest candle here to catch the short-term rebounds at least. Okay. So right now, do we have signal? This highest price is 71,724. So you can look at this left, this one, and when I point to this candle, 71724.47. So the next confirmation is the candle have to close above this highest price. Okay, number one. Number two, we're waiting for this, right? You can see these 3 day they go so sharply. So it means they have a very, very strong resistance. You can see the wick. Basically, they almost stop on the same level. Okay, so it means this is quite a good resistance here. It's a quite a good, strong resistance. The second thing I want to remind you, we haven't got the up signal yet. Remember, if you have my indicator bundle, this YM up down work for any live market. Bitcoin is 24/7. So basically they will pop up right away when there's a signal up. And the signal up, I'm not asking you to buy right away. I want you to combine with this red line or this blue line. So it depends how ambitious you are. If this red line, you use short-term strategy to sell in case the blue is still going downward and they cannot go above the blue. Okay, so of course, if the blue go upward, then it's perfect. You can use the blue to sell. But so far, this blue line is regular time trend line. It is still going downward. Even right now, we just follow the strategy. I don't follow the political news wherever, US, wherever. But I want you to know, we do have institution come in. Now we just waiting the starting point. Okay, if you don't have Bitcoin, you can look at Bitcoin right now, but don't take. I don't. It's not. It's not recommendation to do any trade here. I only tell you the insights from the chart. Okay, I know some people are like, wow, but the lowest is like 72 or 70,000. Oh wow, we missed the chance when you go above this. We want to remember when we do trading, risk management is very important. I always mention we are not eating the fish head and fish tail. We just eat the fish body. We just want to catch the start. I don't want you to waste money. So either you have your strategy, you take a good class, or you get an indicator like my indicator. You can click the link in the description. So right now, we do have a solid confirmation say this is the start of the rebounds. But this is a relative low. This is confirmed. Basically, this YM chip entry tell you this is a relative low. But we don't know how long is this low. Because, for example, the low happen, you can use the red line as a as a as a trading signal. So once we go above or the red line change the direction, you buy and you sell when they drop below or they change the direction. This is so simple, easy thing. Okay. And I think this may change the direction very soon, although we're still waiting this signal, right? This is why I'm big buy to tell you the big volume trade. Is it weak or strong? Then you can tell this three green candle is net buying, but it's not strong because we're still under the zero. Okay, institution is increasing. Yes. Okay, so this is the update today. I hope you like this video and give you a bit clear mind, clear insights for Bitcoin. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Give me some support. I see you next video. Bye.